Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Beauty in the World. Don't forget to subscribe my channels today. The Swedish beauty Zara Mara Larsson is a Swedish singer. At the age of 10, she achieved national fame in Swedish for winning the 2008 session for the talent show telling the Swedish versions of the Got Talent format. Zara was born 16 December 1997, now the age of 23. Height of 1.6 m. Movies and TV shows Talang, Swain, Red Collision's Precious song Invisible Lost music from the Netflix film Lost Life 2015 and not my fault. So good 2017 albums Poster Girls 2021 So Good 2017 1 2014 Introducing 2013 Profile Instagram Twitter YouTube Facebook Beautiful quotes of life. Live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever. That which does not kill us makes us stronger. Be who you are and say what you feel, because those who mind don't matter and those who matter don't mind. We must not allow other people's limited perceptions to define us. Do what you can with what you have, where you are. Be yourself, everyone else is already taken. This above all, to thin own self be true. If you cannot do great thing, do small thing in the great way. If opportunity doesn't knock, build a door. Wise men speak because they have something to say. Fools because they have to say something. Strive not to be a success, but rather to be value. To road. Don't let what you cannot do interfere with what you can do. Whenever you find yourself on the side of a majority, it is time to pace and reflect. I have not failed, I have just found 10,000 ways that wouldn't work. A majority of 1,000 legs begin with one feet. Life shrink or expand in protection one to one's courage. You must be the change you wish to see. The word what you do speaks so loudly that I cannot hear what you say. Believe and act as if it were impossible to fail. The difference between ordinary and extraordinary is that little extra. The best way to predict the future is to invent it. If I am not for myself, who is for me? And if I am only for myself, what am I? And if not now, when? Everything has beauty, but not everyone can see. Believe you can, and you are halfway there. How wonderful it is that nobody need wait a single moment before starting to improve the world. Imagination is everything. It is preview of life coming attraction. Change your thought and your change your world. Happiness is not something ready made.